Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to deploy a software using group policy. So first of all, right click on the start button, select run, type gpmc.msc and press OK. As you can see, the group policy management in window is now open. So select your domain and expand it. Now we have to create a new group policy object. So select the OU or wherever you want to create a group policy object. Make sure you link it to your domain. So I'm creating here a new GPU object. Give it a convenient name such as software installation. I am giving it this name here. As the GPU object is now created, simply right click on it and select edit. Okay, so we have now GPU editor open. So you need to first select whether you want to deploy this um, software to computer level or user level. If you want to deploy it at computer level, expand policies, software settings, and then software installation. For this example, I am deploying this software at user level, so I will expand policies, software settings, software installation. Now do a right click on the software installation, select new package, then the browser window will open where you have to browse for the software installation file, which must be in .msi format, and this file should be on a network location which is accessible by your clients. Don't give it a software location at your own computer. Just give a location at network computer or network accessible location. Okay, so I am browsing to a network location here. I have typed the username and password for that machine. So here it is, and the network location I have selected the .msi file for the software installation. Then you will be asked for the deployment method. So I am selecting here assigned. If you select here published, the software should be readily available to the clients from the add or remove programs under control panel. But as I have selected assigned here, I can choose when to deploy the software. Okay, so right click on this entry of this software deployment, select properties. On the property sheet, you have to switch to deployment tab, and under deployment option, check the install this application at logon option. If you are at computer level, this option is grayed out. So you at user level, this option is available. Click OK. So far we have deployed the software here with the group policy. Now you can refresh the group policy engine, and once the clients will log on after that, they should get the software deployed at their own machine. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Do like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.